You know, we are not here incorporated just to make profit for the owners. We also want to make a difference. We want to do something that could improve people's life. We cannot help everyone, but we can help someone. And we believe, you know, to use business to end poverty. And if we do things together, we can do that. And in Corporator's mission statement, we say that we should use our gain to have a social impact. So that is a part of our company statement.
I have wanted to visit our partner SEBS for a long time, and I was so glad when I could do that. And it has been a fantastic visit. There are so many wonderful people engaged in SEBS projects, seeing the difference that SEBS makes for these villages and for the kids who are the first generation of kids getting education in these tribal villages in Jawadhi Hills. It's just fantastic. And looking at their eyes and seeing the joy in their faces and seeing how proud they are to show off their knowledge, what they have gained, and it's just touching. And I feel I kind of talk too much about it because then I turn over. It's been fantastic. SEBS is a bigger organization. We support part of SEBS projects, but we are heavily into the primary schools in Jawadhi Hills. And there they have started primary education for a lot of villages, and are now looking into expanding it to secondary school for some villages. And we also have
we're into the nutrition program.
Yes, we are
to give them food
and nice, fresh and clean water. The water projects, that's really amazing to see what that has meant for the villages, not only for the kids.
Yeah, we actually installed, or we are part of the project for 8 villages. 2 of them didn't have electricity, so then we added the solar power with battery systems and so on. And in one village there was a kind of a touching story from a mother. She was so engaged telling about and when they got the clean water, the cleaning water system, you know, she told the kids earlier they were away for a couple of days. We think about, you know, clean water as something, it's okay for the health, it's you don't get sick. But then she explained, you know, suddenly the kids were not away from the school.
Because of they were sick. So suddenly it has an impact on the education as well. So that was a kind of a little bit mind blowing. It's not only the health, but it's also the education.
And it's not because they didn't want to come to school earlier, but they were sick all the time because the water was so bad. And now they're fine and coming to school every day because they had clean and nice water.
So the mother said that now after the clean water, her kids have not been away from school one single day.
And we also had the opportunity to visit this shelter outside CMC hospital down in Berge. SEBS is engaged in giving the patients that are able to sleep there and have a secure place to sleep the breakfast, because the hospital only supplies 1 meal a day, and that's not much for a patient to have enough nutrition and get well. So SEBS project is supplying breakfast for them, and that was so nice to see. And this one patient came over and she was so, hello, this is so fantastic. And it's touching, it's very touching to see what a great difference it makes. I'm so proud of Pattikkollai being part of that organization that's so clever in making the most of the money they get.
And they get into, this organized school, water and things like that, but they also do kind of a one-off. So I met a girl, they give some people scholarship, and this young girl, when I met her, she just graduated, she became a nurse, and when she was 8 years old, her father took his life. And when the wife came on, her mother came and saw that, she also took her life, so suddenly she was alone. And SIP's project went in and supported her education. And when she graduated and became a nurse, she said, okay, I will give back for 3 years to another who will take her scholarship. So she will sponsor the scholarship for another. And you can see, this positive attitude is going on.
Yeah,
it's spreading.
Yeah, and you see the joy and the happiness of the teachers, for example, in the villages. The pride they show to be part of the SIP's project, and the quality of the education they are doing. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's touching.